Disclaimer: don't try any FF stories in real life, it's just a imagination. All content is my own, so please don't copy. Background pictures not mine, voices my own. Enjoy the FF and don't forget to share and subscribe this channel. Author: It was 2 a.m. The hospital was quiet, only one light glowed inside a ICU room. Vian sat beside the bed, a warm cloth in her hand. Taehyung had not opened his eyes. He still looked pale. Vian softly: You always acted like a monster, but right now you look just like a man. A hurt man. She dipped the cloth in warm water and slowly wiped the blood stain from his arms. His hands were cold, his finger twitched even in sleep. Author: Vian gently unbuttoned his hospital gown halfway to clean the dried blood near his chest wound. She looked at the deep bandage on the left side. Her fingers trembled. Vian quietly: This is where the bullet went. You took it for me. Author: She placed her hand near his wound, softly pressing a clean cloth on it. He didn't move. She cleaned his chest, his arms, his neck. Then she tucked the blanket around him. Vian sitting down. Why do I care now? After everything? Author: The nurse entered quietly and gave Vian a small plastic cup. Inside were 2 pills, a liquid medicine, and spoon. Nurse: When he wakes up, give him this for infection and pain. Vian: What if he doesn't wake up? Nurse: He will. He is strong. She left quietly. Vian looked at the medicine, then Taehyung. Vian: You better wake up. I am gonna yell at you, leaving me with all this pain. Author: That morning, the door opened. Slowly, Jimmy and Jungkook Leah walked in. They looked tired, guilty. Jungkook: Is he awake? Vian: No, not yet. They stood near the bed looking at Taehyung, silently, broken, unconscious. Author: Then Jungkook stepped forward. Jungkook: Hang, I didn't mean for this to happen. I swear. He swallowed hard. Jungkook: I only wanted to protect her, not this. I'm sorry. Author: Jimmy come closer. He looked at a bruise on Taehyung's face and chest. Jimmy: You were cruel. Taehyung: But you didn't deserve this. We all lost control. Leah: I'm sorry too. We will make it right. When you wake up, we will fix everything. Vian: He didn't even think. He just jumped in front of the gun. Everyone went quiet again. Just a soft beep of the heart monitor filled the room. Author: After they left, Vian sat beside him. She placed her hand gently over his. Vian: Do you hear me? I clean your wound. I stay all night. She smiled sadly. You once said I belong to you, but right now it feels like you belong to me. Authors: Her hand gently run through his soft black hair. Vian whispers: Please wake up. Even if I tell you later, just open your eyes. Author: It was quiet again. No one was in ICU room except Vian and Taehyung. She was sitting beside him, still holding his hand, resting her head near his shoulder. Her eyes were half closed. She had not slept properly in 2 days. Author: Suddenly his finger moved just a little, a tiny twitch, barely visible. Vian eyes opened wide. Taehyung. She sat up straight, staring at his hand. Vian softly: Did you just move? She waited then. Author: His hand squeezed hers weakly. Vian tears falling her eyes. Taehyung: You can hear me? Author: His chest rose slowly. He took a weak breath. His eyelids fluttered. And then, Author: His dark eyes opened slowly, like waking from the nightmare. He blinked at the night, confused. His lips parted. Vian leaned closer, her hand cupping his cheeks. Vian: You are awake. You are alive. Taehyung. Vian. Authors: Her heart stopped for a second. He said her name. His voice was rough, weak, but real. Vian: Yes, I am here. I stay. I didn't leave. Taehyung: Are you hurt? She let out a broken laugh. Vian: You almost dead, and you are asking about me. Author: She helped him sit up slightly with pillows. He winced from the pain. Vian quickly gave him a water, then helped to take a medicine. She held the spoon to his lips carefully. Vian: Drink slowly. The doctor said you will feel dizzy. Taehyung: You are taking care of me. She looked away, shy, confused, but honest. Vian: You nearly dead. For me, I couldn't just leave. He kept looking at her, not with danger. Taeyang gently, I didn't mean to scare you that night. I just can't lose you. Wine, you already lost me that moment you tried to own me, but you saved me, Taeyang, and that's matter. Author, the door opened slowly. Jungkook, Jimmy, Leah walked in carefully. Authors, they saw him awake, sitting up, talking. Jungkook, Hyung, Taeyang looked at them. His expression was calm, not angry. Jimmy, you are okay? Taeyang, I am alive. Leah, thanks to her, she didn't let anyone leave your side. Everyone looked at Van, who quietly wiped her tears, stood beside the bed. Taeyang, she always saves me, even when I don't deserve it. Author. Later that evening, everyone left the room to let him rest, but Van stayed behind. Author. She stood at the window, looked out. Taeyang, Van. She turned around. He reached out his hand, weak but steady. She walked to him and took it. Taeyang, I was a monster to you. Author. 1 week passed. Taeyang was still in hospital, but he could sit up and walk a little now. With help, his body was healing, but his heart, that was harder. Vayam stayed by his side. Every day she brought food, medicine, and even read to his something. Author. But she didn't smile often. She was still careful, still scared something, and Taeyang noticed every little thing. Author. One morning, Van was folding his clean clothes at the hospital table. Taeyang sat on the bed. Author. Then he finally spoke. Taeyang, I hurt you so many times. I never said sorry. Van froze for a second. Taeyang, I was angry, obsessive. I thought I made you fear me, would never leave. Taeyang, but now I realize fear is not love, and I wanted to love you. Van slowly walked towards him. She looked it into his eyes. Van, I don't know I can love you, Taeyang, but I am here because you saved me. That changed something. She placed a warm bowl soup in front of him. Van, now eat. Taeyang gave a small smile, a real one. Author. After lunch, Van helped him walk to the hospital garden. He was still weak, leaning on her arm. They sat on the wooden bench surrounded by flowers. The sun was soft and warm. Taeyang looked. I forget what peace feels. Van, you liked violence for long. Taeyang, I was raised it, trained to lead a mafia like a king, but I never liked until you. She looked at him with serious face. I am not grown. You don't own me. Taeyang, I know. Not anymore. I don't want to own you. I want to protect you if you let me. Author. Later back in hospital room, Jungkook walked in a bag of medicine. Jungkook, hang, I got new painkillers and vitamins. Taeyang, thanks Jungkook. Jungkook walked over Ryan. Jungkook, you okay? Ryan, yeah. Then Jungkook turned to Taeyang. Jungkook, I was wrong too. I judge you. But after you took bullet for her, I saw the truth. Taeyang, what truth? Jungkook, you burned the whole world just to keep her safe. Taeyang didn't deny it because it was true. Author. That night, Van was about to leave the hospital room to go home. Taeyang grabbed her wrist gently. Taeyang, stay just tonight. She had hesitated, then nodded. She sat it beside him, pulled a blanket, stayed. Author. As the lights dim, that silence grows. She heard him whisper, Taeyang, I'm scared. Van looked at him, shocked. You scared? Taeyang, of losing you again. For the first time, the devil wasn't heartless. He was just a man bleeding on the inside. Thank you so much for watching till the end. Army, your support means the world to me. If this story touched your heart even a little, don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. Want more Taeyang Ryan moments? Check out the full series from episode 1. Link in description and pin comment. You love give life.